Hello everyone. Today I would like to know from you that how long have you been learning English? 1 year, 2 year, maybe more. Still, you get that English is difficult. Why happen it? So don't worry. Today I will show you some easy way that you should know about it. Believe me, if you listen each and everything carefully, you can understand, you can know about your weakness. So after listening, you will surely understand that how I can practice and how I can speak English in front of audience. Believe me and watch this video till the end. Today I came here in order to give you something good idea so that you can improve your English, so that you can become fluent speaker. Maybe you can understand English, you can read English, you can uh, sorry guys, you can read English, but when you try to speak, you feel empty. You feel like you don't know anything about this language. So if you have something like this, so please stay with me. Today I will remove what problem you have and you will surely speak English very well. So listen and try to speak. If you unable to speak, so you should listen each and everything carefully so that I can explain you. So the problem is that most of the people have this is problem that they want to speak English, but they think that maybe I make some mistake. Someone will hear my voice, they would be laugh at me. So here I will give you simple things. Maybe you should know about it. People don't think what you think. So here I will tell you that instead of thinking about that, your mistake, you have to speak what you like to speak. Because what you are speaking, that is a good. But you have a problem that I make a mistake. About your mistake, I want to say, so stop thinking like this and start practicing, you know, because here I want to talk a lot, but I have been too busy for 3 days. Because of that, my mind is living a dilemma. Therefore, because until I take rest a lot, I will unable to speak properly. This is my problem. And here I am just trying to speak because my teacher said to me that you should speak everything, whatever you like. You don't have to think that what I am speaking is it right or wrong, you know. So here I will tell you that if you want to improve your English, so you should speak like me. And you don't have to think about your mistake, but you should know that what you make mistake and how you can fix it. No, because it is a very common problem people have. It is not a big problem which you have that you will unable to fix it. You can fix it if you want. No, so remember, if you want to become fluent speaker, so you have to know some way that how you can practice, how you can read, how you can listen, how you can work for the things, you know, you should know about it because many people have problem. They want to become better speaker, but they don't want to know easy way. That is problem. Because of that, they are unable to speak English. So I want you to but don't be like that. First of all, you have to know that what is my weakness. Because of that, I know every word. I know every kind of grammar rule. Still, but when it time to speak, you get empty. Like you don't know about this word, this language. You feel like this. So you should search inside your mind that what is my weakness because of that this type of happen with me. I'll always remember until you want, no one can remove it except you. You know, even you can expend lot of money, still you will unable to remove until you want. So you don't have to think that I will speak English better when I will get good job, good what called teacher, when I will get good time, when I will get perfect time, when I will get peaceful place. There is nothing. What I am telling you, you have to start from today. Whatever you know, whether you make mistake, whether you don't have lot of word to make sentences, still you have to speak whatever you have right now because perfect time will never come until you start because today is perfect time if you start today. Sorry guys, here I made some mistake because as you know that I want to take rest but I don't have time. I am an engineer. I my work is like a salvation. So I don't have enough time to do this work. Still I have to take time for myself because self improvement is one of the most important things in our life. If you don't have money, you can live better life. But if you don't have what call let me say because what I want to say that is a very amazing things which I want to share in front of you. If you don't have money, you can live better life. But if you don't have good communication skill, good self improvement, you can't get better life. It is my thought which I am telling you. Means maybe you should talk, think about it. It is not that much difficult problem that you think. Because nowadays every people have time. If someone say that I don't have time, I can't accept it. Because today internet is very helpful, whether you accept or not. And every people, what call let me say, every people use phone every day, 1 hour, 2 hours. Some people watch all day and night. But they, what they watch on that phone, unnecessary things. So what I am telling you, instead of watching unnecessary video, you have to know some easy way to improve yourself. Because most of the people have this type of problem, they always worry about their past. But we should know that past is past, you can't get back. But what? I am saying if you want to get something, if you want to make your future strong, so you have to work every day on your urgent, because until you make your urgent strong, you can't make your past, your future strong. So what I am telling you, you don't have to worry about your past. Past is past, that can't be true. You can't get back. But what time you have right now, you can use it. You can do something good. You can achieve everything, whatever you like. Maybe you want to become master, maybe you want to become good speaker, maybe you want to become doctor, maybe you want to do something great in your life. But what work you want to do, that work look like so far from you, so you don't think that it is so far from me, I will unable to reach there. You can reach there easily, but if you have something good dream, you will have to take time like that dream. It is my thought which I am telling you. Maybe you should understand that what I want to say you. No? So guys, please forgive me here. I want to stop this video, and I do something wrong. Please don't take mind. And you can speak like me. You have to create a story about your urgent, your past, your future, your family, your friend, whatever you like. Just you should try to create a story that how I can practice. Even if you make mistake, but you don't think about your mistake, you have to just try to speak. So bye guys, I will meet you next vlog. I hope you will surely do as I told you. Bye guys.